What's up, West Coasters? Welcome back. If you're new around here, my name's Molly. I'm usually doing videos going all around LA with my partner in crime, Isaac. He's out of town this week, so I'm on my own. I'm riding solo, but I'm back on the search for the best tea and coffee shops in LA, and that search has brought me to beautiful San Gabriel. There's a tea spot I just have to check out. It looks amazing, so let's head over there. Welcome to the Factory Tea Bar. Factory Tea Bar has an awesome outdoor patio, plenty of seats, there's a little bit of shade, and when it's warm but you've got your ice cold beverage, it's a really good situation, so I'm sitting out here. One of the employees was super helpful when I asked for a suggestion. He didn't hesitate, he said his favorite is the Nom Nom Green Tea, so let's give it a try. Here it is, let's give it a little mix. Definitely got it with Boba. And he explained to me that the Nom Nom sauce or the flavoring actually has brown sugar in it. So I'm curious to see what that's like with green tea. Oh my goodness. So the tea mixture that they've got, they have the green tea, but then the Nom Nom sauce, you definitely get that more warm, rich, sweet flavor from the brown sugar. And they suggested I go 50% sweetness, which I really appreciate, because when drinks are too sugary, they're just out for me. I can't do too sugary. This tastes perfect. With the 50% sweetness, it's exactly what I like. But man, I've never had a nice green tea like that. You get the green tea flavor, but the brown sugar added to it is surprisingly amazing. I have to say, this is a winner in my book. Oh, the boba's good too. When the boba's really soft like this, it's just so much tastier. Okay, this place, Factory Tea Bar, I think I'm an instant fan. An Insta fan. How could I not be? This is so good. I almost feel a little guilty coming here without Isaac because this is so good. This place is not far from where we live in the San Gabriel Valley, so we are definitely coming back here together. He's gonna flip his lid over this place. By the way, I want to give a big shout out and thank you to Tony. Hi Tony, thank you so much.
Of course.
He gave me so much help, guided me to this beautiful beverage, but he also gave me a little tour around the facility. I had no idea, but they've got this cool area in the back with arcade games, pool, ping pong, but then in the way back, they have these private karaoke rooms, which I was floored to find out because this place is close to where we live. I think my next party is going to be a karaoke party, and I am coming to the Factory Tea Bar. So heads up, this place is the joint. Look, another beverage that matches the old girl. Look at her, she's so sweet, working so hard to drive me to these amazing coffee and tea destinations. And look how gorgeous this is. The fountain. What a fun place to just come and chill out. This whole little neighborhood. Just kind of picturesque. There's the Factory Tea Bar, which I can now confidently say has delicious beverages. Cannot wait to bring Isaac back to this place. By the way, if any of you are LA locals and you have a favorite tea shop or coffee shop, drop it in the comments below. I would love to know what your favorite spots are, because I'll hit them next. Well friends, I gotta give this Factory Tea Bar a huge thumbs up. Speaking of thumbs up, if you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also hit the red subscribe button so you don't miss any future episodes. We're going all around LA, we're getting best food, drinks, and you know we're hitting those theme parks. But until we see you here next time, I just want to say cheers!